Hi guys, this lesson is showing you how to change percentages in worded problems. They come up a lot on foundation and higher. This will be a calculator bunch of questions also. So a company's revenue increased from 250,000 to 325,000 over 1 year. What is its percentage increase in revenue? That just means money. So we're going to do 325,000 all over 250,000. And we want the percentage, so we're going to times it by 100. So the answer to this question is 30% increase. Nice and easy, that one. In a university class of 240 students, 162 passed the final exam. What percentage of them failed? So let's work out what's left over. So we had 240 students, subtract the 262 that passed, which gives us 78 that failed. What percentage of students failed? So we're going to do 78. Back to our 240 students, because that's how many it's out of that failed. And we're going to times it by 100, which gives us 32.5% of students failed their exam. A researcher received a grant of 18,500. If she spends 36% of the grant on equipment, how much does she spend on equipment? So we're going to just do 18,500 and change this into a decimal times 0.36 equals £6,660. Remember, you have got a calculator to do this, so don't struggle. Number 4, the population of a town decreased this time by 12% over 5 years. If the original population was 48,000, what is the population after 5 years? Wow, that is a long-winded question, isn't it? I can't see this being on a foundation paper, but you just don't know. So the population of town decreased by 12%. So the population, which I'm going to say is 1 out of 100, subtract our 12%, which is going to be a decimal, equals 0.88. That's what's left. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our 48,000 and we're going to times it by our 0.88, which is going to give us 42,240 is in the population. How's that? Do you understand that? So we've converted it because it's a negative from 1. And we change that into 0.12, which gives us our 0.88. A student scored 72 out of 90 on a statistics test. What percentage did the student achieve? So she scored 72 out of 90. What did she achieve? This is nice and simple, guys. Plug it into your calculator. Any question like this, you put what they've scored on the top and what it's out of on the bottom. That's it. And all you got to do then is times it by 100 because it wants a percent. And the answer to that is 80%. And students achieve 80%. A laptop originally cost £1,200, but it is on sale with a 15% discount. It wants to know the sale price of the laptop. And this again is a classic question that you get taught in class or on exam papers. So all you're going to do is 12,000 divided by 100 times the percent equals £180. So to solve it, what is the sale price of the laptop? The sale price of the laptop is your 1,200, subtract our 180. So the laptop bag, it's not a laptop bag, sorry, it's a laptop. I was going to say that's expensive for a bag, £1,020. And that's it for the laptop. So that one, again, is nice and simple. I like them ones. Hope that helps, guys. Bye-bye.